As fall approaches, the luxury automotive world once again becomes a global runway, where power, performance, and prestige are revealed under spotlights of carbon fiber and polished chrome. Six Luxury Auto Preview is a celebration of extremes, bringing together thundering petrol engines, advanced hybrid electrification, and design that borders on wearable art. Royce to Ferrari, Bugatti to Aston Martin, the world's most revered manufacturers unveil new interpretations of existing icons alongside bold new expressions. Staggering, the ambition unmistakable, and the message clear. There is truly something for everyone. Luxury releases are not simply about speed or status, they are about experience. Technology has reached a point where raw performance and refined comfort no longer compete but coexist. Driver assistance systems fade into the background, electric torque delivers effortless acceleration, and handcrafted interiors remind occupants that human touch still matters. Whether powered by batteries, hybrid systems, or traditional combustion engines, these machines reflect a future where choice defines luxury as much as exclusivity. The heart of the 2026 luxury class is the rise of bespoke driving experiences. Personalization has evolved far beyond paint colors and leather stitching. Can now tailor chassis tuning, steering feel, interior materials, digital interfaces, and even sound profiles to match their personal vision of the perfect drive. Have embraced the idea that the ultimate luxury car is not a standard product but a rolling expression of its owner's taste. For the most discerning clientele, factory customization programs now rival private ateliers, delivering vehicles that feel genuinely one of a kind. Announces luxury quite like Rolls-Royce, and for 2026 the brand continues to define the upper limit of automotive opulence. Rolls-Royce Spectre stands as a bold statement, blending electrification with the brand's legendary whisper. Quiet yet immensely powerful, the Spectre delivers up to 650 horsepower in black badge specifications, calls it a super coupe of sculptural elegance, and the description fits. Flowing lines inspired by classic wooden watercraft of the 1940s, the Spectre departs slightly from traditional Rolls-Royce proportions while maintaining absolute comfort. Most powerful Rolls-Royce ever produced, proving that serenity and strength can coexist without compromise. Who prefer their luxury with a commanding driving position, Rolls-Royce offers the Cullinan Series 2, a vehicle that occupies rarefied air in the luxury SUV landscape. In a market crowded with high-end utility vehicles, the Cullinan Series 2 stands apart through its uncompromising craftsmanship and presence. Refined yacht-like exterior lies a massive 6.8-liter V12 engine, delivering effortless performance befitting its stature. Rolls-Royce describes it as a vehicle built for luxury voyagers of discovery, though its natural habitat is more likely a grand boulevard or polo grounds than a rugged off-road trail. Regardless, it remains one of the most opulent SUVs ever created. Rolls-Royce, other luxury marques continue to push boundaries. Ferrari refines its hybrid performance philosophy, combining electrified torque with high revving engines that retain the brand's emotional core. Martin leans into muscular elegance, offering vehicles that balance modern technology with unmistakable British character. Bugatti exists in a realm of its own, where engineering excellence and astronomical performance figures redefine what a road car can be. Each brand brings a unique perspective, yet all share a dedication to craftsmanship, innovation, and exclusivity. 26 luxury automotive landscape is defined not by a single trend but by its diversity. From silent electric grand tourers to roaring V12 powered flagships, from tailored interiors to bespoke driving dynamics, these vehicles reflect a world where luxury is deeply personal. Enthusiasts, collectors, and dreamers alike, the message is unmistakable. The future of luxury driving is not just powerful or beautiful, personal, expressive, and built entirely around you.